So I'm Dr. Marianne Robertson, and I'm a professor in the biology department, and I teach the incoming ecology and evolution course for freshmen. And for freshmen and sophomores, I teach an honor seminar, actually 2 honor seminars usually, called Biology of Spiders. And then upper level biology courses that I teach are evolution and entomology, which is the study of insects and spiders in my case. And I teach an upper level animal behavior course as well. I was actually working on my master's in bird behavior, and I had one class left to take, and my advisor told me just to pick a course from the catalog because I'd taken everything that was required. And so I was doing animal behavior, and so I picked a course in the entomology department called insect behavior because I thought it's bound to pertain in some way, at least it's behavior, and I just absolutely fell in love with it. And it was looking at a spider called the green lynx spider. It's a bright green spider, pretty well camouflaged on leaves, and I was looking at her behavior of guarding her eggs and guarding her young, and I started finding myself spending more and more time on that class project at the expense of other stuff. And then the professor of that class, Dr. Peter Adler, said to me towards the end of the semester, he said, you could be getting your master's on this. And I was like, no way, this is just fun. And I switched the next day, and I've been spiders ever since. I've got these tarantulas, but they're not used in research, they're just for fun. And they're mostly to try to get students interested in spiders. And most people think that tarantulas are poisonous, and they don't like them. And the most common reasons I get is they're hairy, they have 8 legs. And I'm like, they have to sense their environment, they have to move. And so what I do with the tarantulas, I introduce them to my freshmen in the freshman class just as a fun thing. And then when I teach the honor seminar, we always have a tarantula that's the class mascot. I love teaching freshmen. I think that's a really special audience. I like helping them in the high school to college transition. It's hard to say, though, because then I really love my upper level classes when I get to talk about animal behavior all semester. And one of my favorite things is doing independent research with students. That's something that I'm really deep into that I think is really important, and that's one of my favorite things.